Welcome to Section 4 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Use your profile to promote your product pages. The website field in your profile is a piece of overlooked Instagram real estate that you can use to get extra traffic to your product pages. So make sure to use it to promote your profitable sections of your site to people looking at your bio. Ask questions to engage your audience. One of the best ways to engage with your audience is by asking questions, as questions basically force people to weigh in with their opinions. Post on a consistent basis. Posting on a schedule will ensure that your audience comes back for more on a timely basis, because it will know when you're most likely to post. Engage with other business profiles. Engaging with other brand profiles on Instagram through comments, likes, and by following hashtags will expose you to their own following, giving you a chance to get more followers as well. Stylize your profile. Instagram is already full of profiles fighting for attention, so make sure to stylize your own brand's account look to stand out and get more eyes on your awesome content. Plan your Instagram posts. Plan your Instagram posts by carefully thinking of your copy, your images, and your hashtags to get the best results possible. Use industry-relevant hashtags. Make sure to use hashtags that are related to your content to match it with people looking at the keywords targeted on your hashtags. Analyze your account. Use your intuition as well as third-party analytic tools to keep track of your followers, your photos, likes, and comments. Promote user-generated content. Sharing something shared by your own followers is a surefire way to get your engagement rates through the roof. Don'ts. Don't use Instagram bots. You might be tempted to use an automatic responder or following bots, but in doing so you risk being perceived as a spammer, not a brand. Don't post irrelevant content. While off-topic posts are not bad on occasion, avoid posting about stuff that is not centered around your brand or business, or you will end up losing your audience. Don't overpost. Keeping your audience engaged 2 or 3 times a day is okay by all standards, but posting any one of your passing thoughts is going to be annoying for most, so don't do it. Don't neglect your account. Going the other way and not posting regularly is just as bad as posting too much, as you risk your followers losing interest in your content. Don't overdo hashtags. Hashtags are necessary, but too many of them are not going to help you, so keep them on the down low, with 10 hashtags per post at most. Don't neglect quality. Instagram is all about the visuals, so make sure to post only the best quality images according to Instagram standards. Don't overpromote products. Your followers already know that you are a brand and that you are all about the profits, but nothing will turn them off more quickly than regular product center posts. Don't steal photos. Don't use someone else's images unless you plan to mention them, as that would make you an Instagram pirate. Arr. Don't leave your bio empty. Adding something besides your company name and address on your bio, such as a short bio, a relevant picture, and a relevant URL, is essential. Don't focus on numbers. Don't base your Instagram success by the number of followers that you have, but by how they engage with you. That is the best way to measure how good your brand is doing.